Okay, so my name is Mokshagna Kaoiyala. I'm in the 12th grade from Rockwell International School, and I took the IELTS for academic purposes to study abroad. I want to go to the United States, and the main reason I took the IELTS is because it's widely recognized over all the colleges, and also it's like fairly easy to access because there's lots of IELTS centers all over Hyderabad. I got an overall band of 8.5. And I think my best parts were like reading and listening, and I think I didn't do very well in writing. So tips for listening and reading, I'd say, were like read the questions before the listening actually starts playing. That would be your first tip. And then when you're listening, listen for answers instead of listening to the entire conversation, because you don't need to understand the entire conversation, you just need to get the answer. And reading as well, just try to find the answers at first. If you can't, then try to understand the passage and come up with a reasonable solution. So I prepared for IELTS. I think I took like a month before the test, and the book that they gave me helped a lot to understand the test format, and online resources also gave me a very good idea of how to prepare and what to expect. And speaking, I'd say just be confident, and it doesn't matter. It's more about what you say, not what are you talking about. So be confident. Don't be scared of your opinions.